Metro!
What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video. What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna try to make this kind of quick because there's a beautiful thunderstorm happening right now, so I want to get a lot of it on camera. But today's video, I really want to just go out and ride. I got a couple engine modifications that I'm planning on getting. Not only will it change how I drive and how the car sounds and feels and performs, it also change how the car presents itself. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. Be sure to smash the like button. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Bro, there's so much. Like, I've already missed so much lightning just because I'm doing my intro, but it is literally like so pretty right now. Yeah, we can see if we can outrun the rain real quick. Oh. I didn't know how big that was, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get out and just check, make sure it didn't scratch up the car too bad, too bad, too bad, too bad. Oh my gosh, bro. It's really just this right here. That can buff out. We're good. Somebody burning up the road, boy. Isn't he wonderful? Isn't he glorious? Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Anyway, look how pretty this is, bro. Where's the babies? Where's the babies? Y'all boys big. So what was I saying? Okay, so basically I have a lot of the footage of like me and other people riding around, and I need to make sure that I have a lot of the footage of just us like vlogging on our own, like going out and hitting the roads on our own. This was like Ireland, bro. Look at this. So I want to do that today, just get a little bit of just riding around footage, getting some clips. Like, oh, this is how it used to be before. That's crazy. As far as sound, power, drive, like the drive feeling. Look at this. What are we in? Michigan, bro? Found this guy on Facebook, so we're gonna go through him. He does He's been doing all the tunes for these cars since, like, I guess they came out really like for 20 years. I just got a lot of mods that I'm wanting to do, like, not even just like performance, but as well as like sponsors and interior work, exterior work, just cosmetic stuff, but a lot of performance too, because I'm wanting to squeeze every bit of power out of this car and see what they're making. And that's why I'm getting a tune early. I'm not getting a tune because I'm like, oh, it's a tune with an intake. That's not it. I'm getting a tune because I want to see how this car feels tuned with an intake and just that. Does that make sense? So then we'll start doing exhaust work. Then we'll start doing, opening up the engine and doing like some small, like engine work. And then from there, like, we're just gonna snowball. My goal with this car and any car that I get from here on out is for content purposes. I want to give y'all as much content as I can. I'm not just gonna buy a car and then just supercharge it, especially not now anyway. I'm not just gonna supercharge it and be like, yes, power. Like, I want to show y'all and give y'all as much content as I can and allow y'all to enjoy it and experience it with me. So that's the goal right now. I just want to give y'all that real quick. This is mad pretty. Y'all just bear with me, it's coming. These things are not free. I wish they were, bro. We'd all be doing it if it was free. So I'm saving up, I'm getting everything taken care of. But without further ado, let's open her up a little bit.
alien. Is it recording? Is that why it's red?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool.
Say what's up to the YouTube, Red.
YouTube.
Say what's up to the YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
Okay. I thought you. Okay. My fault.
Cruise in a spaceship, take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.